Ah, the excitement of bringing home that dream sectional. You've envisioned long movie marathons, family gatherings, cozy naps, but hold on, you try to fit it through the doorway and suddenly it hits you. This sectional is way too big for my space. We may not all have experienced this situation, but part of us do fear it. Today at the Furniture Mall, we'll be diving into the details of how to measure your space correctly to ensure the perfect fit. Let's get started.
First, you're going to need some tools. So first, you're going to need a tape measure. A tape measure will determine and help you measure the right dimensions of your space, the height, the length, and most important, where the sectional will be going. Next, you're going to need a graph paper. A graph paper will help you put it down all the information that you just measured and make sure that everything fit before you actually get to purchase your sectional. Measuring your doorways and pathways so the furniture can fit through it. You don't want to be playing Tetris with your furniture. If you have stairs, measure the staircase at various points. Identifying any obstructions, such as doorknobs, molding, and frames. Start by taking measurements of your doors, both interior and exterior, so that way the sectionals fit through. Your section is to navigate through hallways or pathways. Measure the heights and the width. Measure the height of the door opening. Ensure that there is enough vertical spaces for the sectional to fit through. Some sectional comes with removable parts, such as legs. Decide the amount of clearance space you need around the sectional. The general rule is to aim for at least 2 feet of clearance on all sides. This provides enough room for easy movement and a balanced visual appearance.
We hope by the time that you get all your measurements and your sectional is in your space that you will sit back and say, oh yeah.